Sorry for the inactivity. So these past couple of months, I went back to Miami to visit family, and then I took a little detour in Colombia, which is my birthplace that I haven't returned to in 9 years. It was so amazing to be back in the mountains, to reconnect with family, eat delicious food, and to just experience that South American culture and to really reconnect with my roots. But the traveling is not over yet. This weekend is Godot Con, so I'll be flying over to Munich, and I am so excited. It's been really great being a part of the Godot community. Everybody's just so helpful and encouraging, so I'm super stoked for that. Expect some content, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to ask in the comments below. But thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned. More content is on the way. I really appreciate everything. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye.